guys. Today's victim is a Dirt Devil vacuum cleaner. It says that it has power that you can see, but I think it's about to see some real power indeed. So let's turn on some power and get to this experiment. All set up and ready to go. Not yet, because I gotta put some combustibles inside of it, so let's go ahead and do that. This ought to do it. Alright, let's pop this thing, shall we? Wow, look at that carnage. Whoa, it's melting. Yeah. I apologize for that, guys, that it went out of focus like that. Should have had it set on manual focus, but of course me and my stupid self did not do that. But we managed to capture most of the explosion on camera, which makes me happy. Check it out. Wow, this thing really got toasted, I tell you. Okay guys, so because of the fact my camera did go out of focus there, and I really apologize about that, I'll have a little bonus bit here for this video. So let's crank up a light bulb on 0 to 28,000 volts. Well, that was a lot of fun, guys. Thank you for watching. And once again, I do apologize for the camera doing weird stuff. And I also apologize for not uploading. So I'll leave it there, guys. I don't want to bore you too much, so we can get on to the next video. Thanks for watching.